Hi guys! I'm Mana. I specialize in cooking for gut health with Sakekasu. Today, I want to talk about alcohol of Sakekasu. Before we start, let me explain what Sakekasu is. Sakekasu is a byproduct of sake brewing. The texture is creamy. It's rich in protein, prebiotics, B vitamins, amino acid, folate, zinc, and even natural umami. So you can use it as nutritional and flavor booster. Plus, cooking Sakekasu supports zero waste cooking, so it's full of potential. Just heads up. Since Sakekasu is a byproduct of sake brewing, it still contains some alcohol. So if you are sensitive to alcohol, please be careful. But did you know there's a way to cook off the alcohol? It's steaming. The longer you steam it, the more the alcohol evaporates. From my experience, steaming for about 20 to 30 minutes works well. But if you really don't like the taste of alcohol, feel free to cook it for over 30 minutes, whatever suits your taste. You can use microwave as well. If you are short on time, it's faster and still helpful. Now let's get started. Tear Sakekasu apart with your hands. Make sure to tear it into pieces as thin as possible so the alcohol can escape more easily. Spread it out in a single layer. And there you go, it's ready!